Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a fairy, so let's get started. The first thing that we'll want to do is we will want to make the letter U. So go ahead and do that on your paper. The next thing that we're going to want to do is make her hairline. So the way that I make a hairline is I go like this. I bring up a curved line and then I bring up a curved line. And then on top here, that's where her hair is going to go. Let's go down to the middle of her face and put her eyes in her face. We're not going to make her eyes close to the top of her head. We're going to do this more towards the middle. Okay, so we have a curved line and a curved line with some smaller lines for some eyelashes. We're going to make a very small nose and then let's make some lips. Let me show you how to do that. You make a straight line and then you make two curved lines and then one curved line down below. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to make her clothing down here. She's going to be wearing a simple dress. So let's make her neck first, just two short lines and a curve. And this is going to be her dress down here. So we're just going to have two slanted lines like this. And then at the bottom, you can do whatever you want. If you want to make it straight or you'd like to make it a little bit curvy, that's always cute. For her arms, I am just going to make her arms very simple, coming down like this from her shoulders. And her hands are just going to be like this. This is a very simple fairy. If you'd like to make her holding a wand, you can just bring the wand out from her hand, make two straight lines, and then at the end you can put anything you want. You can put a star, you can just put a series of lines with some dots around. It's completely up to you. All right, let's take care of her legs. So we're just going to make some straight lines coming down from her dress. And then we're going to make some U's at the bottom of those lines. And then some little feet, some cute little feet. Those are going to be curved lines as well. Going back up to this part of her body, we're going to make our fairy's wings. So coming out from her shoulders, I'm going to make a curved line that swirls up at the top. Another curved line that swirls up at the top. And then I'm going to bring her wing back down here to about this point. So I come down and then I hit this area right below her hand. I come down and I have to tell you, we're going to jump over this part right here. Okay, we're going to jump over the wand because we want the wand to look like it's in front of the wing. Okay, so we're going to come down, jump over that wand and come in. Now let's make some smaller wings down here at the bottom. And we're going to come down with a curved line and come down with a curved line. And then we're going to close those up. This wing is a little bit smaller. All right, now we're going to go back up to her hair. This is the last thing that we're going to do. So we're going to start up here at the top. And I'm going to make her hair long. And I'd like to have it a little bit curly at the bottom. So I'm going to come out and I'm just going to make 3 of these curls at the bottom. I come out from this area right here from where her part is. I come down and I give it a swirl. On this one, I think I'm going to do 4. And I actually might change my mind and do 1 more here. I think that looks excellent. All right, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make the background for my fairy. This is going to be a night fairy, so I'm going to make a moon and a couple of stars. So she is standing on the grass, and I'm going to make the grass right here. And I'm not going to make it a super straight line. As you can see, I want it to look a little bit more natural like grass. And I remember when you go across and you hit something like her foot or her body, you need to remember to pick up your marker or your drawing utensil, and then you jump over and then you start your mark again. It's really, really important. Now I'm going to put a moon at the top, which is the letter C, and then close up with the smaller letter C. And then I'm going to make some stars. The way that I like to make stars is like this. I have an upside down V. I have two lines coming straight out. They come in, and then I'd like to make more V's coming out from the side. So that's the way that I like to make stars. If you like to make stars a different way, go ahead and do that. I think I'll make one down here. And then maybe a small one right here to balance things out. There we go. If you'd like to draw something on the grass, go ahead and do that. Or if you see another area that you feel needs a little bit more detail, go ahead and put it in now, and then you can start to color. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.